Vastu means to some extent the nature, the earth, and the ingredients of that earth is controlled by the Saurayudha, mainly the sun, moon, stars, etc. Therefore, actually the earth is controlled by all the peripheries like sun, etc. Therefore, we will call always the nature, because the sun is the main Chaitanya. Therefore, we have to count the Chaitanya, the sun. That is why we are all saying the east, where the sun rises. Therefore, the earth is to some extent rotating from west to east, if the sun is rising east once in a day. And yearly, even though it is going round the sun, but we feel the sun going towards north and south. Therefore, actually, as far as earth is concerned, there are two movements. One is east-west and the other is north-south. Therefore, our Shastra says, whenever the house construction or anything to be constructed, that must be orientated in a manner east-west or north-south. For example, nowadays we are all traveling in a vehicle, and when we traveling in the vehicle, it is fully comfortable if the seats are arranged in the direction of the vehicle, not in the inclined direction. Whenever the car or any vehicle runs through even different directions in the curves, etc., we are safe if we sit on the proper direction of the vehicle. Similarly, our acharyas or our forefathers find it out. It is better to have the orientation of the houses or any buildings in the earth must be east-west and north-south. That is the main important thing as far as this Vastu Shastra is concerned. And after that, if you can say the sun is the main thing, we must face the sun, because we are getting the all power, energy from the sun. Therefore, whenever the buildings are facing sun, or the placement or the part of the earth where we are constructing the house, it is better to have the proper sunlight at the time of sunrise. That is why we are proposing the eastern slope of the earth, or placement of our Vastu Mandala, we will call the area where we are constructing the houses. Similarly, we are considering the night, because the stars, mainly the 7 stars, will rise at north side. At the time of sunset, we must be able to see the stars of 7 stars, for which we have to, or we must have the land slope towards north. That is why our Shastra says slope towards east or north is more better. Even though we can have the houses inclined, if we consider a point of reference. For example, if there is no point of reference, there is no east or north or south. If we must have for a placement of a land, either 10 cent or 1 acre or a country, even though a state, if we wanted to say north of the state, it must have a point of reference in the middle. Then only we will be having the north and south. That same principle we are considering for the houses plot. That is, if you have a 10 cent, that is a part of the earth. Therefore, it will be having all the energy and power of the earth as a part. Earth has got the center of gravity or central force, or all the part and parcel of the earth will be directed or concentrated to the center of the earth. Similarly, the 10 cent or 1 acre will be concentrated to the center, which is called the Brahma or Brahma placement.